In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Substack profile in the newsletter editor. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening Substack in your browser and waiting for your dashboard to load. Once you're inside, look over to the left sidebar and click on Profile. This will take you to your profile area where you can see how your account currently appears. From here, click the Edit Profile button. The Edit Profile page should now open and you'll see your profile photo, your name, your handle, your bio, and your link options all laid out on a single page ready for editing. Now we'll update the visible profile text. Click inside the name field first. Once your cursor is active inside it, select the existing text so that anything previously written is highlighted and ready to be replaced. With the old text selected, type a clear sample profile name that you want readers to see when they visit your page. Take your time entering it so the spelling and capitalization look exactly the way you want. Next, move down to the bio field. Click inside the bio area to place your cursor there. Just like before, select the existing text inside that field so it's fully highlighted. Now type a short profile bio that describes who you are or what your newsletter is about. Keep it natural and let the words flow as you enter them into the box. The handle field sits nearby, but you should leave the handle field unchanged unless you intentionally want to change the public profile URL. Changing the handle alters the address readers use to reach you, so skip it for now. With the text in place, we'll save the profile changes. Click the Save button on the Edit Profile page. Wait for the save confirmation to appear, or watch for the Save button itself to finish updating and return to its normal state. This tells you the changes have been written to your account. Once the saving has finished, refresh the page one time so the editor reloads with the new information pulled fresh from Substack. After the reload, look at the name field and confirm it still shows the updated profile name you typed in earlier. Then check the bio field and confirm it still shows the updated profile bio. Your Substack profile editor now shows the updated display name and bio, and the saved profile details are ready to appear on your public Substack profile anywhere readers see your creator information.